I chose to work in this sector because I'd always been very interested in social justice. I knew that I wanted to work in the public sector in some way or another, so social work was the perfect choice for me. And I love working with young people as well, so children's services was very fitting.
I wanted to become an apprentice with RCT because I've done an apprenticeship before in business administration. So I've really enjoyed being an apprentice previously. But maybe that sector wasn't really for me. But I've realised that being an apprentice is a really good way of learning and getting to know the job, and then with a really good chance of becoming permanent at the end.
So I think the skills that you need to be a support worker are people skills, definitely being able to build relationships with people from different walks of life. In terms of your personality, you definitely need to be an outgoing person, a confident person. A lot of the young people that you're working with aren't necessarily confident, so you need to be able to be a role model for them and take the lead in certain situations in order to kind of, I suppose, bring them out of their own shell.
This role is really eye-opening, so I think just going, to your visits or, everything like that, being really open-minded. You've got to be really understanding. Trying to understand the situations that people are in, maybe even if you haven't been in those situations, understand where people are coming from.
Since I started the apprenticeship scheme, a big highlight for me has been being able to work in the outdoors with children. There's a heavy focus on outdoor education, seeing them in different environments, if we've taken them rock climbing or biking, and just seeing that kind of change in them, that's been a big highlight. My team as well, the people that I work with, my colleagues, my managers, they're all really supportive and really nurturing. So waking up in the morning and looking forward to coming to work and looking forward to seeing your colleagues is definitely a big highlight for me.
Just working with the young people and seeing the reactions, I think, with the young people and the families when you finish, it's nice to know that you're sort of making a difference and how grateful the families are as well.